Hey guys, welcome back to my travel vlog here in the Dominican Republic. Today we're going to be traveling to my husband's hometown. Hi Jasmine. So we're actually staying in Santo Domingo, which is the capital here in Dominican Republic. His hometown is about 4 to 5 hours away, so it should be a long drive, but I'm very happy to be going there today because I haven't been there in about 2 years. My husband did come here in the summer for like 2 days for something for business related stuff, so he wasn't really having fun or yeah, so we haven't seen our family in 2 years, and I'm just very emotional and excited to see them. And we've also been building a house, like a vacation home for us during the pandemic, and we haven't seen it yet. Well, I haven't seen it in person, and I'm excited to just go see how it looks and be comfortable in my home. This is gonna be our last day in this hotel. I had a nice time, but I'm glad to be going to somewhere that's a little bit more homey, more comfortable. But yeah, let's go. Good morning guys. So I actually arrived last night. I started out the video letting you know that I was going to come to my family's home, to my family's town, and we're here. We got here really late last night, so I couldn't really record. My phone actually died on the way here. The trip was about 4 to 5 hours, so we were exhausted. But today I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you my view. You're gonna love it. This is my baby. Say hi. Can you say hi? I'm in my new home. I mentioned earlier, my husband and I built this house during the pandemic as a second home. When we started building it, we didn't expect the pandemic to happen. It was January 2020, I think. And we were hoping to be here in the summer last year, and we haven't been able to be here together. So it's my first time seeing it, and I love it. It's very loud here, so it's not the same sound that you always hear in my videos. There's a lot of motorcycles. In the mornings you hear the roosters, the animals. Is actually very it's in the countryside, so it's like farm style. I don't know how to explain that, but let me show you guys the view. Okay, so this is part of my house. There's like a balcony on top, so we can really get a nice view. If I get closer, that's the ocean right there. Right there is the ocean. That's my coconut tree, my palm tree. I can't believe I have a palm tree. If I get a lot closer, you can see the ocean right there. Let me see if I can. I want it to be nice and clear. There's my son. I love my porch, my balcony up here. Jasmine is playing with her cousin. Jasmine, can you say hi?
Hi.
She's having so much fun. Now, there's the other view, which I just love. I've been waiting to see this view for so long. You have the mountains, you have the palm trees, just beautiful view. And today we actually might go to my father-in-law's farm where he grows coffee. And anyway, I just had to pause again because the motorcycles are so loud. But my father-in-law, he grows coffee and he has banana trees. He has a lot of chickens that he raises, and we also have some land up there, so we're going to show you guys that too. I'm so excited to go there. My kids need that, like to be in nature, and we all need it too. But anyway, that's the view, and again I'm going to show you the view a little bit more. It's just so beautiful to be over here and to actually have your own place to relax in, not just a hotel. I don't know if I'll do a tour, but I do want to show you how they had their room decorated. These are all our suitcases. We unpacked, which is why it's so nice to have your own house because you can put everything in closets. So they really decorated with balloons. The doors are new, as you can tell, the plastic. So when we came in, we already slept here, but we tried to keep it as clean as possible, and we unpacked. But you have a lot of things going on. But as you can see, they have balloons everywhere, and it says bienvenidos right there, which means welcome. That was a really nice surprise. I was not expecting that. I love it. As you can see, our room, we set up 2 big beds because we have a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old, so we can all sleep together. And we do have more bedrooms in case we ever needed more space, but I think it's perfect. The beds are beautiful. I love the balloons. Daddy, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
So we're just taking a little ride through the town, and I'm excited to show you guys because my husband's hometown is like It's like a little paradise, honestly. There by the ocean, and you have mountains in the ocean, and You hear the roosters in the morning. It's so beautiful. I love this town, and I'm excited to show you guys. My husband grew up here, and he lived by the ocean. So when I met him and he brought me over here to like meet his family, it was an incredible experience, and I feel like I found gold in this area. It's so beautiful. Believe it or not, like I'm Dominican. I was born here, and I lived here until I was 10, but I had never seen the ocean in the Dominican Republic until I met my husband. It was so interesting. So I'm gonna put a little makeup on my face. As you can see, I definitely need it. And let me show you my little, I guess makeup station, my little dresser. I'm so happy with it. So there's a dresser in my room. It's a little messy with like kids' bottles and things. Here's some of the makeup that I brought along with me. It was so hard to pick my makeup, guys. So I'm gonna do a little makeup because we're gonna head to like my father-in-law's farm. And my face needs a little makeup. So I'm gonna apply, not too much, just a little. Horse. So horse. You can see Jasmine, kind of. Okay guys, we're driving up the mountain towards the farm, and it's really going up to a mountain. It's very steep. You see the road, and it's beautiful, right Jasmine? It's a beautiful view. You see the banana trees there? Here are all the chickens. Jasmine just fed them. Did you feed the chickens? Look at Kaden running around. Right here is coffee. It's being toasted. They grow coffee and then they toast it, and they produce a lot of coffee here. Wow. So anyway, those are all coffee trees or plants. Coffee trees, and they grow it here. They let it dry and toast, right? That you get. And then they sell it. Really cool. We also have a lot of banana trees. So they're drying the coffee and picking it up. It was drying in the sun right there. That's all the coffee beans. So once the coffee beans are really red, they'll pick them and put them to dry over there. And then once it's really dry, they'll pick them up, put them in bags, and take them to the factory to get turned into like the coffee powder that you guys drink in your home. But yeah, they have a lot of coffee. They grow a lot of coffee here. Here's a banana tree. We have a lot of banana trees here too, which is good because Kaden and Jasmine love bananas. You can see right there.
What is it?
So that's how you make chocolate?
Yeah.
That right there is cacao. That is what you turn into chocolate, like chocolate powder and chocolate candy too?
Yeah, any type of chocolate.
Any type of chocolate. Look how interesting. That's the cacao plant. Here's some baby ones. So cool. Everything here is grows seasonally. So sometimes we have guava, mangoes, avocados, depending on the season. Really cool. It's a really nice experience for the kids to see all of this and learn how things grow. This is the sugarcane plant. Look at the sugarcane. You see? Right in there. And then this is peeled. It's really sweet. Very yummy. That's a sugarcane plant. Here's a close-up of the banana trees. And in here, very deep all the way down, there's a lot of coffee. Whole lot of coffee. More banana trees. So my mother-in-law made a fire and cooked the food in this natural fire. It tastes amazing. If you're Dominican, you know what this is like. She made some rice with some chicken, and it's delicious. She even used the plantain leaves, the banana tree leaves, to cover the pot. And it was incredible, honestly. The most delicious meal ever. Okay, guys, so we're back home now. I took a shower. It was such an awesome day at the farm, and I cannot wait to go back. We're gonna eat some dinner and relax, and I'll keep filming for you guys whatever we do tomorrow. We have rivers to go to, the beach to go to, so stay tuned for the rest. But if you've watched any of the 2 videos that I posted so far, thank you so much for following along my fun family traveling. It's been so amazing here, and I'm so happy to be here and excited for the rest of my trip. But thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, if you like this kinds of video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye. Mwah.